Hey, hey, I'm back with a beautiful Pikachu statue, which is, you guessed it, from my son's birthday, but there is a twist to it, actually. And the twist is a very simple one. That this is huge. This is crazy. Just have a look. It's 1/10 of a scale. And it's huge. It's unbelievable. Look at my hand. Yeah? And it shouldn't be. And I'll show you what it should be, actually. Have a look. Yeah? This is what I got. I didn't pay that. I paid £26 actually, a few days ago, on the 6th of October. And I bought that looking at product dimensions. And it says it's 17 centimeters by 11 by 6.5, almost 6.3. That is 17 centimeters, which is exactly that much. That's the biggest size. Like, So yeah, this size of that unit should cost about 50 quid, 60 quid even. 60 English pounds. So, if I'm not mistaken, they have a wrong specification on Amazon for this product in a very good price when it comes to this size. So I'm very happy about that. I recommend to anyone this auction when they look for a Pikachu like that. Especially this one lights up and it's nice and my son will love it. I love it. Why not? Just let's quickly unwrap it in a minute. See what does it say here. Battery safety information, warnings, attention, so you need to read that. Battery installation instructions. And that's about it. Yeah? It's a model number PKW 2370. 2370. 700, what? Yeah, it's a huge box, and I'm thinking, how do I get to it? I think I'll go from the bottom. We want to see how it works. Maybe there's something wrong with it. Okay. So let's open this bad boy. Okay. Okay. And let's pull them out. There we are. Put that away. Ooh. This looks nice. Nice. Like it. Okay, let's unwrap it actually from all of that, so we can get to it. And it'll be easier for my son too. And quicker, because that's what I don't like about toys today. They are so tightly packed, and that's understandable. No one wants their product to get damaged. Yeah, but it takes ages to unwrap it, and the kid can't just, you know, enjoy straight away. Like, you can't unwrap it and play with it. So I'm gonna remedy that. That's my fluid fix for this. By preparing. So I'll wrap it. Then after I'm finished with this video, I'll put it nicely together, but I'm not gonna wrap it. I'll just leave it without those. Yeah? And then when my child is actually ready, his gift, and gets it, he can simply open a box, pull it out, and they take the toy out and play with it. So that should make his day that much better. At least I hope. You never know with the kids. You can be like, Daddy, it was in mint condition and you opened it. That's what he did to his sister. Gave her a comic. Marvel comic, new issue. First from the series. Brand new in packaging. And he said, you can't read it. So if you open, it's in mint condition, it will lose its value. So I might actually get in trouble for what I'm doing right now. But I will deal with that when it comes to it. Okay, so we have freed a Pikachu statue. And I'm happy to say that I actually like how it was packed. It is very safe that way. And let me see whether any damage was done to it in the transport, especially because all of those are, you know, they do not feel flimsy, but they have some play to it, which is good. They're not like brittle plastic that you touch it and it breaks, which is actually very good. I like that. Now it all looks beautiful. That's how it looks from the top. You've seen it already. That's how it looks from the front. Like that. Then from the side. From the back. I wonder which parts are going to light up and whether it will make any sound. We'll see. You can clearly see the button here. Nicely done. It's not pocketable. Okay, that's the bottom of it. So we shall open this right now. Yeah. Put some batteries in it. Let's keep this video short so I don't bore anyone. Just I want to show it off because this is a very good statue, in my opinion. Oi, sorry. Need to get my hands on the batteries that I need. And it takes AAA batteries, rechargeable ones would be the best, or good quality like Duracell or something. I think those are charged. We'll see. Now I think I should get the lights down. Not get them down, turn them off. Alright, so let's do it that way. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Does it have different modes? It does. Actually looks cool. I was under impression that it will be done a bit differently. But I think I was overthinking. No, not overthinking it. I hoped for better quality, but better quality comes with bigger price, I think. But it's still cool. Hey, what do you think, honey? Yeah, I'm happy with that. Let me just put it down like so. And look from the distance at it. It is very bright here. That's why you can still see my face. I've got my setup, if you didn't see, there's a video I made about it, so you can have a look. But my setup is in the corner of a house, of my living room actually, because I've got problems walking. So it is kind of darkish here, so I need the top light for you guys to see what's on my desk properly. But it's the middle of the day, and it gives out pretty good amount of light. Now, okay, let me turn the light back on. You can still see it. Yeah. I think that those LEDs with 3 batteries in them, in the device, are going to last ages. Yeah. But what I would do, if I would design this, now if I would manufacture this, I would make those light up. Yeah. With LEDs. Or fiber optics. Yes, I would make those light up. And definitely those. 100%. Then maybe I would do some effects of lightning when it comes to Pikachu. Maybe his eye. That would be nice. I was thinking about making some modifications to one of those statues when I was thinking about buying it for myself. And I wasn't thinking about Pikachu, I was thinking about something different. But maybe one day I'll buy it and I'll make some modifications and see how it comes out. So, if you would like that video, you can write me a comment down below. I'll appreciate that. What do you think about it? Do you think that this is worth 20, well now 31 pounds? Being so huge? This actually is I'll tell you in a moment what's the actual size of it is. Give me 1 second. Okay, so this is like here, 30 centimeters, which is almost 12 inches by 25 centimeters, which is 10 inches, and in height it is 33 centimeters, which is 13.5 inches. That's like twice the size they advertised, and it should be twice the price, I believe, because it's made very nicely. It looks very nice to me. It feels very nice. And it doesn't break, see? Don't advise that. Yeah? So don't go at it with a sledgehammer, alright? Because that's not the purpose of this thingy. But yeah. I believe my son is going to love it. Especially he loves Pikachu. So who doesn't? Yeah? It's Pikachu. I'm very happy about that. So like I said, I'm going to leave some links down below. Have a look if you're interested. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, please. I appreciate that. I appreciate the time you spent watching this video. I'm gonna become better YouTuber, if I can call myself a YouTuber. I think everyone can call themselves a YouTuber. Whoever have ever made a video for YouTube audience can do so without any doubt. So if you are one of them people like myself, doesn't matter whether you had 1 view or 1 million view or 10 million views in a day, it really doesn't matter. You're still a YouTuber, so who cares what some trolls are saying? Yeah, doesn't happen to me, probably will, but I know it happens to others, and just need to ignore those people, because who needs this chaos in your life? Stay safe. Thank you for watching.